Hey guys, Beth Hayes here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I wanted to make a super short and sweet video about the MyEcon 2025 compensation plan. We're just going to go with just one slide. We're going to be short and sweet because I want you to understand how simple this plan is and how powerful it is. And so here we are, the compensation plan, all of the important information regarding the MyEcon compensation plan fits on one page. Imagine that, one page. And this is the simplest and best comp plan that I've seen. And as far as I know, this is the simplest and best comp plan in the industry. So just to go over all of the important parts with you guys, lines 1 and 2, you are paid these commissions every Friday. So you earn $15, $35, or $70 instant commissions on direct sales. People you are enrolling, that's a 70% average that you are earning on the people that you enroll into MyEcon, and you are paid on those each Friday. Line 2 is your overrides, where you are paid between $1 and $10 down to infinity. Yes, I said infinity, as in forever. When someone joins your team, this is your generation 2 through infinity. You are paid between $1 and $10, depending on the level that the person enrolls at. And depending on your rank within MyEcon, you are paid $1 to $10 to infinity. How amazing is that? Line 3 talks about overrides for monthly renewals, monthly membership renewals. When anyone on your team renews their monthly membership, you are paid between $1 and $13 as an override, paid down to infinity each time someone renews each month. These amounts are paid out at the first of the month. So the first Friday of each month, you are receiving these amounts that are calculated from the renewals from the previous month. Where people on your team renew their monthly membership, you are paid on the first Friday of the month for those overrides between $1 and $13, again, depending on the level that they're renewing at and your rank within the company. There are only 3 ranks within the company. There's gold, there's platinum, and there is infinity. Each rank requires that you have 2 personally sponsored people. So you are personally sponsoring 2 people. And with that, you would reach the gold level. The next rank up after that is platinum, where you have 2 personally sponsored people and 10 people total on your team. Whatever that looks like, 10 people total on your team. And to reach the top rank in the company, infinity, you have 2 personally sponsored people and 38 people total on your team. However, those people are enrolled on your team, 38 people total brings you to the top rank within MyEcon. Only those 3 ranks. So it's super simple. It all fits right here on this one page. And it's really the best comp plan out there, you guys. I hope you take some time to seriously take a serious look at this, because the simplicity of this plan means that with only about 1,000 people on your team, you could be bringing in about $10,000 per month in income. How does that sound? Pretty amazing, right? Only 1,000 people. So imagine if you had 2,000 people, you could have $20,000 a month in income, and so on and so forth, because this comp plan pays to infinity. Please understand the beauty, the simplicity, the power of this mighty little comp plan for MyEcon. Now I have another video that goes through everything a little bit more in depth, and I'll put that down in the description below so that you can watch that and go through everything a little bit more in detail. But I wanted you to understand it fits on one page. The entire comp plan can be gone through in under 5 minutes. This is the MyEcon comp plan. It's amazing. It's powerful. I hope you found value in this video. Hit the like button if you did. Hit the subscribe button so you can be notified when I post again. Please join me on the inside as soon as possible. Hit those links down in the description below or send me a message, and I'll see you on the next video.